for taking care of myself, because I always encourage us to take care of ourselves first. So anyway, that's that on the moon. And as some of you may know, we are doing Tea Tuesdays every Tuesday, and I've been enjoying that. Y'all know I'm a tea baby. Every Tuesday at 8:15 p.m. Eastern time. But during the summer vacation, I feel like I'm gonna start it at 8 p.m. instead, because I did the 8:15 because of my children and schedule and the school and all that. But I think for the summer I'm gonna do it at 8 p.m. And I was asked to extend it to an hour, because I usually do it for like maybe 30 minutes or so. So I was asked to extend it for to about an hour, maybe 45 minutes. So I will do just that. Give the people what they want, right? And for those of you that would love to come up and join me on Tea Tuesday, send me a message on Instagram and let me know what your topic is or what you would love to share. It could be your personal story or something that affected you in some way, maybe how you healed yourself or how you saw someone else heal themselves, anything like that. It could be something that's emotional for you that you may want to share, something that inspires others or encourage others. So if that's your vibe, let me know. Or it could be you just want to come up and share about wellness or teas. That's why that show is there, for us to vibe, for us to talk, and really just relax as we sip and enjoy some tea. Me too. I am a big tea lover, Angel. I love me some tea. So let's see what else is going on. So we have that celebration coming up. I am not sure if I'm going to do it after I come back from my mini getaway or before. So stay tuned for that. We'll see. You know me, I go with my vibes. So we'll see. But I really am grateful for 2000. I mean, like, yay. It's so amazing. I feel so blessed, so grateful, so happy, so wonderful. And this is all thanks to each and every one of you. You're all family, part of the Wealth and Wellness family. My vision is for us to all thrive together as a community, to have that mindset of one love, one vibe. We all thrive. We help each other, we support each other. We do what we can to embrace one another and to be there in a vibration of love, not judgment. What's your jam, Angel? What is your jam? But I'm not going to replace the moon vibrations with anything, but what that will do is allow me time to work on my own personal spirituality privately, and also the other things that I'm working on the channel, like for instance the gardening. I notice a lot of folks come to the channel because of the gardening, and I was really surprised because y'all know I am not a professional gardener. This is my first time, so I'm learning and I am understanding that there is an amazing gardening community here on YouTube. People are just so helpful, so kind, and I have to honor and respect that beautiful community here. Oh, tea is your jam. Gotcha, gotcha. And I definitely have some favorite teas. Definitely. I love the flavor of ginger in my tea. Like a lot of times I use ginger and clove as a background to my main tea. I use those to kind of like flavor the background, if that makes sense. Oh my God, look at the sun glistening on my skin, bringing out my melanin. This is awesome. Aww, I'm learning through you also, my beautiful sister. This is what I love about this community. We learn and grow from each other. And guys, while I'm doing this, I'm like really just kicking it in the sun, just feeling great, because it's like, to me, the heat is perfect. It's perfect because I feel like I'm detoxing. Almost like I'm on the beach or something. It's like, I love it. Like I'm sweating under all this and it feels so good. It's like a natural detox. And I put my